Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Actually, today we are going to unbox one AirPods Pro which we have ordered from Meesho at a price of rupees 289. So just we are going to open this. We'll check that how much the quality. As we have ordered the white one AirPods Pro. What I am expecting, I will receive AirPods Pro of Apple copy only. Let me just check. So basically I have received on this kind of a like packet. Firstly there is one card also over there. It's been sealed by box. Let's open this. We'll check how the quality is. Just a second.